Hi everyone, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a great day today. So today I want to talk to you about documents and what types of documents you can track in HomeZada. So one thing that most people don't know is that HomeZada will store unlimited photos and unlimited documents in the system. Now, a lot of people will ask me what kinds of documents can be in the system. So I break these down into probably 5 different categories. So the first category is overall household documents. And in those documents, you will look at real estate docs. So whether your closing documents, your appraisals, your inspection documents, property tax documents, your deeds of trust, title reports, anything that would happen during a real estate procedure. You may also want to put in plans or blueprints. And this is usually for people who have built their home or have remodeled their home. And this would also apply to not only inside the home, but also landscaping as well. Some HOAs require landscaping approvals and plans in order to proceed with designing and planting and placing information outside your house, like trees and shrubs, lighting, stonework, etc. So that's the first step. Overall household documents that apply to the real estate transaction, but also any blueprints or plans. The second category of documents is those that are specific household documents. And they're specific to your home. So they may be mortgage information and contracts that you have. They may be insurance policies that you have and the declarations that go with those policies. These details are it's definitely specific to your home, but you may want to actually add them to the finances page of HomeZada so that you can tie it to the insurance section and the mortgage section. This third area is item-specific documents or details. So in a home inventory, there are items. Many of these items have documents that are assigned to them. And these documents are everything from owner's manuals, receipts, warranties, or even product registration cards. So these types of documents are specific to those items. You may also have appraisal documents. Maybe you've got a piece of fine art that you've had appraised. Maybe you have jewelry that you've appraised. So appraisal documents are also part of that. Maybe you've gone out and gotten evaluations of certain collections in your home. Those also apply to these item-specific details. The fourth area is maintenance and project related documents. So you may be doing some maintenance tasks or managing your projects. Those documents are very specific. You will have maybe some plans for your specific remodel project. You may even have some electrical and plumbing plans specifically in addition to those plans. You will have contractor details, their insurances, their coverage. So you want to make sure you track that and keep that in there. There are licenses, contractor license documents, so that you know you're operating with a great contractor. You will have permits from your city, county, state, etc. You will have receipts for any type of maintenance that you do when you hire out. You will have contracts for any of these types of projects, whether it's with a maintenance contractor or a remodeling contractor. So tracking all that information is very important to the success, not only in the maintenance task, but also of the remodel project. The fifth and final area of documents that some people choose to track inside HomeZada, some people don't. I personally do because I think it's easy and the security in HomeZada is super, super secure, and you can find that information on our homepage. If you go down to the bottom of homezada.com, you will see a link called security. You can look at our security features, but that is personal documents. So the fifth and final is personal documents, and that involves copies of passports, copies of driver's license, marriage certificates, divorce certificates, birth certificates, death certificates. If you need any of this on hand, it may be trusts, wills, power of attorneys. Remember, you also need digital power of attorneys as we continue to come into contact with a lot of digital platforms. The other thing may be titles to cars. It may be end-of-life wishes. It may be pet schedules or any type of details involving your specific family. but these documents are something that's very precious to you. It may talk about your next phase of life, or it just may be something you want on hand so that you know that it's safe and secure when you're traveling around and you need access to that information. So these are the 5 types of areas and documents that we recommend you can store in HomeZada. The first, once again, is overall household documents. The second is specific household documents to your home. The third is item-specific details or documents. The fourth is maintenance and project documents. And the fifth are your personal documents that you find very precious and are in need of a storage facility online. So I give you these, and I hope you have a great time using HomeZada. I hope it's very worthwhile for you. If you have any questions, please let us know in the box below or at info@homezada.com. If you have any more questions about the type of documents that you can track or the security or whatever else that we can answer for you in HomeZada, please, please, please reach out to us. But you can also visit us at www.homezada.com. Have a great day, and thank you so much for joining us.